Biodiversity is really a thing today, and I've got it covered in my garden. A lot of people ask me when I show them my photography, where do you get those photos? How many gardens do you visit? I just go to my own garden. So here's the pics from Sunday afternoon. Please let me know in the comments what you've seen in your garden over the last weekend. I'd love to hear from you, and let's get into it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you've seen in your garden in the last week. I'd love to hear from you. Till next time, I hope I see you again when we get into it.